Time he is consecutive second year or third year, he is getting the award for the highest volume, and award goes to Srfraz from Sls.
Hi everyone, this is Sمیت from British Council. Congratulations to Srfraz on receiving the highest volume in England award consecutive for the 3 years. So looking forward for the same kind of collaboration in the coming years, and hopefully for the 4th year next year you'll also get this award. So thank you so much.
This is so important. Instead, I'm going to talk a little bit about what we've been doing in Pakistan and share some of the work I hope you think is as important as we do. So this year, through our Scottish scholarship scheme, we will help 150,000 English teachers to improve their teaching capacity. Over 3 years, we hope that will have an exponential that young people are receiving at the state education sector. Through Take a Child to School, a program that we deliver in partnership with the Qatar.
Be a doorway that is open for them, not a barrier for them. So whatever we can do to help those candidates have a smoother experience and really to do what they want to do in the future. We're here to help them have those opportunities for the future. And if they have a good experience and if they go on to do great things, then they will think well of you as the partners, us as the British Council.
British Council who took time out to attend the event. We have Harriet, we have Maria Rahman, then Saqib, Tosif, Fahim, Rawat, and planning and the Amna. So moving forward, there was a development in the last year, like last 2, 3, 4 months.
In her speech, and I was just thinking I was going to say that, and I'm going to just repeat it again. That led to a lot of social issues. So that was an economic issue. So yeah, that is what we are observing right now as well. So we are, and then when I was reading through the history, and I just realized in COVID, we learned one thing. Every 100 years, there is a pandemic, yeah. So every 100 years, the history repeats itself.